Dryandra is one of my favourite places to visit. First time I came here was with one of my best mates, Nathan, and his family. I think we came a couple times. I went a couple times with them when I was a bit younger, staying in the cabins, doing all the amazing walks, the nighttime tour, just driving around late at night with spotlights, trying to find all the cool animals. So I was excited to get back a few weeks ago and then come back again by myself today and last night. Saw the echidna. That was incredible. That was so cool to see. I still haven't seen numbats here, but I know that they are around and they're a bit tricky to find. But just make sure when you come, I'll drop a little map. This is how you want to enter if you want to go through the camping. However, this here is the main entrance, and it's great to start here and drive through. But if you're looking at just pulling up for the night, that first entrance there, that is where you're looking at driving to and putting into your maps. So I hope you enjoyed little clips of it. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. Let me know if you end up in Dryandra. I would love to see some of your photos and videos.